Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best Aliexpress smartwatch under $50. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the smartwatch are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Kavsumi smartwatch, the perfect combination of style, convenience, and advanced features. With its stunning AMOLED H screen and always-on display, this smartwatch offers a crystal-clear view of all your important information without needing to wake it up. Say goodbye to constantly tapping your watch to check the time or your notifications. The Kavsumi smartwatch keeps things effortlessly accessible. Designed to keep up with even the most active individuals, this smartwatch boasts an impressive IP68 waterproof rating. So whether you're swimming, sweating it out during a workout, or caught in an unexpected rain shower, the Kavsumi smartwatch can handle it all. Say goodbye to fumbling for your phone when it rings. The Kavsumi smartwatch allows you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist thanks to its Bluetooth call feature. Now you can stay connected and never miss an important call, even when your phone is out of reach. The Kavsumi smartwatch is not just a stylish accessory, it's also a reliable fitness companion. Equipped with sports and fitness tracking abilities, it helps you monitor your workouts, track your progress, and achieve your fitness goals. Stay motivated and achieve new heights with the Kavsumi smartwatch by your side. Available in sleek and elegant designs, the Kavsumi smartwatch is perfect for both men and women. Its versatile style seamlessly blends in with any outfit, making it suitable for any occasion. The Kavsumi smartwatch, where style meets functionality. Experience the future of wearable technology and upgrade your daily routine today. Introducing the R7 Pro smartwatch, an ultimate companion for those looking to elevate their fitness game and stay connected on the go. With its IP68 waterproof rating, this smartwatch is ready to keep up with your active lifestyle. Whether you're swimming, showering, or caught in the rain, the R7 Pro is water-resistant and ready for any adventure. Stay motivated and track every step of your fitness journey with the R7 Pro's comprehensive fitness features. Monitor your heart rate, count your steps, and even analyze your sleep patterns all at your fingertips. Stay connected without reaching for your phone. The R7 Pro's Bluetooth calling feature lets you take calls directly from your wrist, ensuring you never miss a beat. Stay in touch with family and friends effortlessly, even when your phone isn't at hand. Want to enjoy your favorite music during workouts, but tired of carrying your phone? The R7 Pro offers ample storage, allowing you to store your favorite tunes directly on the watch, stream music through Bluetooth headphones, and experience ultimate freedom while staying active. Customize your smartwatch to match your personal style. With a variety of watch faces and endless customization options, the R7 Pro smartwatch lets you express your unique personality while introducing the NFC Smart Watch, the perfect blend of style and technology, designed for both men and women. With its array of features, this smartwatch takes connectivity and health tracking to a whole new level. With built-in NFC technology, this smartwatch allows you to make payments conveniently right from your wrist. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. Just a simple tap and you're good to go. Fitness enthusiasts, this one is for you. The NFC smartwatch is equipped with advanced sports tracking capabilities. Whether you're running, cycling, or engaging in any other physical activity, this smartwatch will monitor your progress, providing real-time data to help you reach your fitness goals. Your health is of utmost importance, and the NFC smartwatch understands that. It features a heart rate monitor that accurately measures your heart rate throughout the day. Stay informed about your overall health and make more informed decisions. But that's not all. This smartwatch goes a step further and offers ECG and PPG monitoring. Understand your heart's rhythm and detect any irregularities effortlessly. With the help of the NFC smartwatch, you can stay proactive in monitoring your cardiovascular health. Sharing data has never been simpler. Utilizing near-field communication NFC technology, you can instantly transfer files, contacts, or even information with a mere tap. It's quick, secure, and convenient. The NFC smartwatch, the ultimate companion for the modern individual. Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, and enjoy the convenience of NFC technology, all from a single stylish timepiece. Embrace the future. Get your NFC smartwatch now. Introducing the Xiaomi K55 Military Smartwatch, the perfect companion for the adventurous souls who seek a blend of style and durability. With its sleek design and impressive features, the Xiaomi K55 is built to withstand the toughest of conditions while keeping you connected to what matters most. Featuring a vibrant 1.85-inch touchscreen, the Xiaomi K55 offers a crystal-clear display that ensures easy readability in any environment. Thanks to its Bluetooth call feature, you can conveniently make and receive calls right from your wrist without the need to reach for your phone. Stay connected on the go, anytime, anywhere. The Xiaomi K55 goes beyond just telling time. With its 24-hour health monitoring feature, it keeps track of your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. It's like having your own personal health assistant on your wrist. Don't let the fear of water hold you back. The Xiaomi K55 is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to dive into life's adventures without worrying about damaging your smartwatch. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or pushing yourself in intense workout sessions, the Xiaomi K55 can keep up with your active lifestyle. Its durable construction and long-lasting 350 mAh battery ensure that it won't let you down. Experience the perfect blend of ruggedness and smartness with the Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, designed to be your ultimate outdoor companion. Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, the power of smartness, built for the toughest challenges. Introducing the SENBONO Smart Watch, the ultimate companion for the modern man and woman. With its vibrant 1.43 AMOLED display, the SENBONO Smart Watch delivers crystal clear visuals that captivate your every glance. And that's just the beginning. This feature-packed smartwatch is designed to provide you with unparalleled convenience and connectivity throughout your day. Say goodbye to fumbling for your phone when receiving calls. With the SENBONO smartwatch, you can answer and make calls directly from your wrist, hassle-free. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, the SENBONO smartwatch is the perfect fitness companion. It effortlessly tracks your steps, distance traveled, calories burned, and even monitors your heart rate, ensuring you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. Seamlessly compatible with Xiaomi and Huawei phones, this smartwatch enhances your mobile experience. Receive instant notifications for calls, messages, social media updates, and more right on your wrist. And the best part? The SENBONO smartwatch features a long-lasting battery that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. You don't have to worry about running out of battery when you need it the most. With its elegant design and premium build quality, the SENBONO smartwatch effortlessly transitions from a casual day out to a formal evening event. It's a true reflection of your style, smart and sophisticated. So, whether you're a man or a woman, the SENBONO smartwatch is the perfect blend of functionality, convenience, and style. Take control of your day and stay connected like never before with SENBONO. SENBONO smartwatch. Be smart, be stylish, be connected. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.